First things first, let's get our tool ready. I mean, who doesn't have a carbon fiber knife, right? You can already get a glimpse.
It's a combination of trying to use a motor car and yourself as one complete unit. It's really a biblical connection between the two, the man and the machine.
Welcome back to the Man and the Machine. Today is something new. Today we have received a package that I've been plotting, scheming for quite some time. Here is the first product reveal. Maybe there's many more to come. Actually, Fast Eddie Lee was the first to bring it to my attention. He had copied me in a post, easily found on Instagram. They have their website. It is called DECKORATE, and they have plenty of options of products to select from, but there was one in particular that caught my eye, one that was the ability to customize their products to your liking, meaning they could create their product to be your car. And I was like, I was intrigued, why not? To have as a artifact, if I ever did get rid of these cars, to remember kind of the collection of my garage. The garage right now is looking pretty. Oh, it has some fingerprints on it. I don't know who put some fingerprints on it, but either way, these two cars, that box, they have something in common. So let's take a look. Packing looks pretty good. It was a slight little piece that was open whenever I received it. Hopefully there's no damage in there. I don't think so, but we'll find out shortly. But first things first, let's get our tool ready. I mean, who doesn't have a carbon fiber knife, right? Perfect occasion to pull it out. Ooh, that's sharp. What am I doing? To pull it out, to cut this tape open. Woo-wee! Oh, you can already get a glimpse. Oh man, look at that. Look at that board. You ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. What's it gonna look like? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, that's completely epic. Wow. The detail, the precision. Oh, even that forged carbon look. That's so great. I mean, come on. Forged carbon. Forged carbon. Come on. Silver calipers. Silver calipers. Woo-wee. Oh, I'm impressed. This thing is real nice. Solid piece of wood. I don't know how the heck he printed this on there, but wow, that's pretty nice. No real defects, just nice texture, nice smooth texture. And the color is spot on. Gosh, hold up, wait a minute. Let's get a little bit of a picture of that. Can we see that? We can totally see that, right? Wow. I'm such a fan. Let's look at the other one. What else we got here? Number 2. Ooh, I got 3. Look at that bad boy. V12 Vantage Carbon Black. Got that carbon fiber look. Got the blacked out trim. Got the carbon here. It's supposed to be carbon, but hard to put the detail right there, especially this print. But got the HRE wheels. Ooh, HRE. Look at that. I got it lowered a little bit. Does it not look the same? What do you think? Good replica? Carbon black, you got the carbon fiber and the trim, but kind of hard to put there. Side strakes, the vents, and then the vents up front. The front here, down there, the splitter, forged carbon down there. I mean, does it not look kind of spot on? It's like a replica on a skateboard. Almost want to kind of put trucks on it and then go ride around and then do some kick flips so that I can show the bottom of this board to everybody. But let me know what you guys think. I mean, I kind of keep it simple to creating these. I worked with Kevin, basically made the purchase, sent him an email saying that I want custom boards, and he asked for some images, profile images, front-facing images, kind of get all perspective of the car to make sure that he captures all the detail, or they capture all the detail at the shop, to create these vector drawings. But also he asked for what else we wanted to see on the board to kind of make it unique and in our own. So I knew that the forged carbon was a characteristic of the Performante. You don't see that in many cars, at least stock, standard. So I said, you know what, let's see if we can build that in. And he came up with this great pattern. And I wanted that badge on there. And likewise with the carbon black V12 Vantage, the carbon fiber everywhere that I just walked through. It just made sense to make it that simple and easy. But I did have other ideas, but we ruled them out as we kind of worked through this and looked through it. But the end product is absolutely what I was expecting and more. I did get one more, and this one for me was just one that was on their page that I just was a big fan of looking at. I'm a big fan of the F40, so I had to get it. Just like I kind of visualized owning these two cars, I'm visualizing owning this car, and this is just a great way for me to put on my wall and remind me that this is still a target car to put in my garage. So keep following this channel. Maybe something in the near future may be showing up with a change in pace with color, or maybe I'll get a black one. But it almost feels like I need to get a red F40 if I get one. Comment below if I should get an F40 or some other Ferrari. But I have a feeling that most of you will comment the F40. It'd be interesting to see otherwise. Let me know what you think. Give me some feedback on your thoughts of these cars and these boards. I think it's freaking just phenomenal. Super happy. Thank you, DECKORATE. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Thanks for Fast Eddie Lee. I'm wearing your hat for this episode just because you showed me by tagging me, go figure, by tagging me in a comment. I found this spot, and hopefully I can find some more good products out there and let you guys know the process at the end of the day to get it. Oh, I didn't even tell you how long to get it. It took about 4 weeks to, I guess, get all the detail added into this. And from that point, after we finalized everything, like I said, shipped it out, got the notification, and it took about a week to get here. So not too terrible for shipping. And yeah, that's it. So hope you enjoyed. Hopefully this is something you appreciate. You guys got to comment. You got to let me know. Come on, let me know what's going on. What you want to see. I mean, you want to see a hypercar like DDE and like Stradvan. I mean, just let me know. Maybe I'll make it happen. I just got to work a lot harder. A lot harder. But I look forward to having fun with this, and just, you know, whatever comes of it, I'm going to be happy because, I mean, why wouldn't I be happy? Take a look. Let's go. All right, on to the next episode.
Racing and it's life. Anything that happened before or after, it's just waiting.